The Autonomous Digital Enterprise, or ADE, is comprised of intelligent, interconnected, value-creating systems operating with minimal human involvement across every facet of an organization. Today we will see the end-to-end BMC Helix, which will help you prioritize, predict, and act with intelligent service and operations management. This will bring IT and business automation closer to deliver a powerful, personalized customer experience. We will examine a day in the life of 4 individuals who can benefit from BMC Helix. The site reliability engineer must monitor the health of services and detect problems in business applications. She should also be able to quickly perform problem diagnosis, but she lacks efficient tools to monitor service health. She struggles to understand the cause of the problem, and there is poor impact visibility. The business user must smoothly perform day-to-day operations over a specific platform or tool, and request support when an application has issues. But she lacks an intuitive reporting and support platform, which combined with long wait times results in a poor user experience. The service desk agent must effectively manage and prioritize requests, and raise change requests to DevOps for agile change management. But she lacks real-time incident correlation and proactive problem management capabilities. There is also a lack of coordination between siloed teams. The DevOps engineer should receive change requests from service desk agents and have seamless DevOps CI/CD integration, but he is limited by a lack of coordination across the ecosystem. Let's see how BMC addresses these challenges. We'll start by simulating the experience of a site reliability engineer who is monitoring the health of the service and detects a problem within a specific application. We'll see how problem diagnosis will be performed and how BMC Helix will help manage hundreds of events. Then we'll look at automated incident creation and remediation. Let's see a demonstration. On the screen, you see the ServiceCentric Monitoring console. This provides a clear view of problems that might occur within services. For example, here we can see that our train e-ticketing booking system is experiencing some problems. Let's find out more. When we get hundreds of events impacting different components of a service, it's a challenge to find out which one of these components is causing this event. To speed up this investigation process, we use AI and machine learning capabilities. This helps the site reliability engineer to quickly identify the causal nodes behind this event. In this case, MongoDB. We can also see details about events that are impacting this node. From the health timeline here, we can track the starting point of this event. We can see details about changes that were recently performed and which might also be the root cause of this overall situation. Under topology, we can view components that are being impacted. As we can see, our train e-ticketing booking system is deployed on a Kubernetes environment, and we have several deployments on pods here, which right now are having issues. All this information can be automatically collected using BMC Helix Discovery, an important piece of the BMC Helix suite that automatically populates our CMDB with infrastructure, servers, software running on those servers, network requirements, and all the relationships between these components. Having a good CMDB is critical to support IT processes, but having a clear vision of what we have will help us review security risks within the organization. Coming back to events, we can set up configurations to automatically open incidents so that someone can address them faster. We can also trigger actions manually or automatically to remediate incidents. Typical examples are restarting a server or extending a file system that has filled. Next, we have advanced event management capabilities to manage the hundreds of events that we might get. The site reliability engineer can see these multiple events, all potentially causing the same situation. These correlated events will be closed automatically once this situation is resolved. This is how we can speed up and reduce the time to diagnose, and in turn, minimize resolution time and effort. This also helps us proactively act and fix events before end users notice issues with our service. Next, let's see what business users can do if they notice issues with our application. We'll see how they can get support by accessing a knowledge base and opening an issue if required. We can provide users different channels to get support. What we see now is BMC Helix Virtual Agent. In the welcome message, we can let our users know that the train e-ticketing booking service is not available. Seeing this proactive notice, users can decide not to raise a ticket, reducing the support queue. In case users want to report business application issues, they can click on the option for the same. Virtual Agent will then ask some questions, such as to describe the issue. Next, it asks what business application is causing the issue, and the user can select the impacted application. This way, Virtual Agent can ask questions with increasing relevancy. Users can also attach the screenshot of the error. Once the user confirms accuracy of the provided details, the Virtual Agent will raise this issue. BMC Helix Virtual Agent can also be integrated with popular collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, and WhatsApp, allowing users many options to use their channel of choice. We can also provide our end users with a self-service portal, like what we see here, which provides a single pane of glass. This portal can be used to provide support related to IT, human resources, facilities, finance, etc. Newsboards at the top convey important information to users. For example, here we have a notice about the train e-ticketing booking system being unavailable. From the service catalog, users can select specific services they need. Using this box, they can also search for help. Based on the query, different knowledge articles will be presented to them for self-service. This is an effective way to make our users more autonomous, and it reduces the stress placed on help desk agents by avoiding creation of repetitive tickets. In case they choose to raise an issue, they can do so by clicking the Request Now button. This will raise a ticket like the one we saw earlier with BMC Helix Virtual Agent. Next, let's assume that service desk agents are receiving hundreds of incidents related to the train e-ticketing booking system outage. We'll see how they can manage this situation in an agile manner, with incident correlation and proactive problem management capabilities. We'll see here how service desk agents can raise a change request, which will be received by the DevOps team and automatically integrated with DevOps CI/CD integration, so that a database config file can be restored to fix this incident. Let's look at the real-time incident correlation capability first. Here we can see that a lot of users are reporting the same issue. We use machine learning to analyze incidents and detect duplication. We can select these records and relate to the original ticket. This way, once the original ticket is fixed, all the related tickets will be automatically resolved, saving a lot of time and effort. We can also prevent the situation from happening again, leveraging proactive problem management capabilities. We use machine learning to perform an analysis based on the history of incidents and create problem management clusters. Let's click on this cluster. We can see hundreds of incidents which probably have the same root cause. We can select these and create a problem investigation, which will help prevent these incidents from occurring in the future. Let's open an incident that's automatically raised by our monitoring solution. Our service desk agents can follow SLAs, such as resolution or response time. They will get alerts before those SLAs are breached. They can break silos and collaborate with DevOps teams. In this case, we have raised a change request. This change request is composed of different tasks. For example, this first task is an automatic task to create a Jira user story. Next, using our open integration platform, we are going to trigger Azure DevOps pipeline to stop the MongoDB database, restore the previous version of the Mongo config file, and start the database again. The final task involves manually reviewing this change. Finally, the site reliability engineer will get actionable insights about the service using dashboards. The insights include health score, availability, events, incidents, and others. We can also observe Kubernetes deployments where our train e-ticketing booking system is deployed. Here we have the information to make sure that everything is behaving normally after the issue is resolved. BMC helped a Dutch designer and manufacturer of heavy construction equipment reduce manual effort in their existing processes. The company wanted to modernize to a global, centralized enterprise service desk for all requests and tickets across IT, HR, facilities, and maintenance. Since the existing system and related processes required a significant amount of manual effort, BMC helped achieve an integrated service catalog along with incident, problem, knowledge, and change management capabilities in a single, dynamic, and reliable service platform. This resulted in a 25% reduction in manual labor for each service request through automation, a 30 times increase in digital workplace adoption, and an 80% reduction in HR-related phone calls. This unique combination of capabilities makes BMC an ideal choice for solving similar issues within your own organization, and we welcome an opportunity to see how we can achieve similar benefits for you.